Welcome guys, this is the second time I've tried to record this because I had some technological issues, but never mind, we're going to make the white balance look okay because pictures don't look good if the white balance is not right, and it's something that people are struggling with, so we're going to cover it in this video right now. Welcome back everybody, thanks so much for joining me again. As I mention all of the time, please do press the subscribe button and click the bell icon. The bell icon helps you out because it gives you a notification every single time I upload a video. I upload every week and sometimes more than that if I feel like it. Today, you're not going to see my face, sorry about that, also probably good for you. We're going to be looking at this picture which was taken in I think 2015 of this adorable dog who you probably will have seen before if you've seen any of my work. And this is the white balance, kind of similar-ish to something that came out the camera. I've extrapolated on that because I need to make sure that this is super clear. This is the kind of thing that is coming out of a lot of cameras. Weirdly, they all seem to kind of be Nikon entry level, but that's not really the point. The point is, how do we fix it? How do we make it look good? Do you need to fix it? How do you know? And all of those questions are going to be answered. We're going to start now. So we're in Lightroom Classic, not the mobile one, because I don't use that. What we're going to be using is two little tools. Let's get into those right now. So let me close my other tabs. We have got HSL/color and we have got basic open. Do not touch the basic just yet unless you are an expert at setting white balance, in which case you might not really be watching this video. But this is what we're going to do. We're going to click on the little droppy thing, and what that does is, if you look at the sliders over here, when we hover over areas of the picture, sliders light up to tell us what the most prominent colour is behind that. And what we want to do is find a mid-tone or a grey in the dog's coat. So we've got multiple areas of grey on the dog. We've got the ears, we've got the face, we've got the white, we've got all sorts. So we're going to go ahead and hover over a few of them and see what comes up. So we've got greens, we've got aquas, we have got greens, we've got aquas, we've got blue, we've got aqua, we've got blue and aqua. So we know that we're more on the blue side of the yellow-blue scale and we're on the green side of the red-green scale. So we can put that back there. We don't need you anymore. And go up here to our white balance sliders. The first one that I'm going to grab is the tint slider because I like starting on the green and the pink. You can choose whatever you want to do. And I'm going to just zoom in a little bit and look really closely with my eyes to find some green. Now I've found green in the fringing on this patch on the dog's head, and I've also found green up here. So I'm going to focus really seriously on this area and I'm going to completely ignore everything else. So really zone in on that, grab hold of your slider and then start to move it. And you want to move just until that particular area that you're looking at looks neutral. So that's kind of about there, I think. I would say, yep, I'm going to stop there. So my area that I was looking at now looks neutral in terms of green and pink. Then the next thing that I'm going to do is grab my blue-yellow Kelvin slider and go ahead and start to look at the blue areas and make sure that they go neutral. Everybody knows I like a warm image, so don't judge me because I'm going to make this warmer than it needs to be. Essentially, you want to stop just past where you think you should stop, but I'm probably going to go a little bit further than that. About there. And just like that, this picture went from looking pretty damn crap to pretty damn hot. So let's look. This is where we were, if you can see here, and this is where we are. Wowzers, so that was fun, wasn't it? Because that's quite a marked change. We're going to go ahead and just do some little teeny weeny fine tuning. I've just gone ahead and done some extra little things, nothing particularly dramatic, and then I just want to come back around to the greens because if you wanted to, you could change the colour of the green by using the hue slider over here, and that will change the colour of the greens. Then what you can also do is change the luminance, so that's kind of like the brightness and the darkness of the greens. And before and after of our little green tweak there, so it looks a little bit more like an autumn scene. And to be fair, I'd kind of stop there because I think that's absolutely fine. Change my grey. I don't like that grey. I just don't like it. I'm going to make it more vibrant because I don't like things to be boring. I'm just not that kind of person. In fact, I think I've probably gone too far on the hue. I don't mind green. People don't like green. I don't mind green. Green is fine. So this is where we started and this is where we are. That's kind of it, guys. Not really going to go much further. Play with the sliders in the HSL/colour section and play with your white balance sliders. Don't overdo it, but overdo it a little bit because I prefer that personally. Everybody's different and that's absolutely fine. If you haven't already, please do press the subscribe button and click the bell icon. Helps you out because it gives you a notification, as I've already said, and it really helps me out. I just want to say really quickly as well, thank you so much to everybody who has been just so genuinely, honestly kind. I just did not ever in my wildest dreams expect to even, grow past 10 subscribers, and those 10 I would have loved and held so dearly and closely because you're just so amazing. But to get to where we are right now, I just don't even have any words. It's just so overwhelmingly brilliant and I love you all so much. And yeah, just please join me back next week. I will see you all again super soon. Thank you very much.